Bonjour students, my name is Rupali, your social studies teacher from Elite American Corporate School, Patiala. In last lecture, we have covered our chapter number 2 of history, and today we are going to start our chapter number 3 of history, that is the age of farming. So today we are going to discuss beginning of farming, domestications of animals and invention of wheel. Okay, let's start.
As we know, human beings lived a nomadic life for thousands of years. At that time, they were hunters and gatherers. During the New Stone Age, which is known as the Neolithic Age, around 10,000 years ago, early humans began to produce their own food and lead a settled life. Changes in climate played a very important role at that time. A large portion of the Earth's surface was covered with ice sheets in the beginning of the Neolithic Age. Due to climate change, the ice melted and these areas became habitable. Warm climate was best suited for crops and habitations. As a result, dry areas became open grasslands and forests became dense. Beginning of farming. Agriculture was the greatest discovery of the Neolithic Age. During this period, early humans learned the technique of sowing seeds, growing plants, and finally harvesting them. They must have learned this accidentally or by observing the plants growing in the wild. The first crop to be cultivated were wheat and barley. As time passed, early humans began to grow more crops. This changed their lifestyle. Now they settled in one place and grew crops. From food gatherers, they became food producers. They left their nomadic life because they had to take care of their crops. As a result, they settled down and started a normal life with regular food supply. They made mud houses near the fields and settled there till the crops were harvested. This change in lifestyle did not take place suddenly. It was spread over a long time. Even while cultivating crops, humans still hunted and gathered food. Archaeologists have found evidences of early farmers and herders all over the subcontinent. The most important ones are in the northwest, in present-day Kashmir, and in East and South India. Domestication of animals. Humans of the Neolithic period started to domesticate animals. The dog was probably the first animal to be tamed. Later, other animals like goats and sheep were also domesticated. As a result, there was a continuous supply of milk and related products and also of meat. Fishing and hunting also began. Some animals were used in agriculture and transportation. Invention of the wheel. During this period, the wheel was also invented and it happened to be an important step towards the development of the early humans. Little is known about how the idea of the wheel occurred to the early humans. Perhaps a rolling log or stone did the trick. People could now travel more easily and move heavy loads faster than before. The invention of wheel also improved pottery making. In fact, it was during the age that the potter's wheel came to be used. Beginning of a settled life. Archaeologists have found traces of huts or houses in Barzoham. Early humans built pit houses which were dug into the ground, with stairs or steps inside them. This might be for protection from cold weather. Archaeologists also discovered cooking huts both outside and inside the huts. This shows that according to weather, people could cook food either inside the hut or outside it.
Hope these topics are clear to you. Now your homework is read a story of